I want to move this doorway further down the street. And again, to do this using perspective cloning, I'll make a new layer, and I'll switch to the clone tool. I want to set it to sample not just the current layer for current and below. And let's open up the clone source panel. And then to hold Option or Alt and click in the top corner of the doorway to set the clone source point. And then go and click down here where I want it to appear. In the clone source panel, we're showing the overlay, and it's currently clipped to the size of the brush. If we uncheck that, then there is our full size overlay. We can reduce the opacity so we can see the background through it, and we can reduce the size of it by clicking and dragging on either the width or the height buttons. Once you get close, you can use the up and down cursor keys to adjust this more precisely, and that's perfect. Now we've done that, we can clip that overlay again and set it back to 100%. And now we can go ahead and paint in this doorway, and you can see how it puts it in the correct perspective. And of course you can use a softer brush if you want to blend it in more smoothly. If you've enjoyed the tutorial, please subscribe to this channel. If this video helpful to learn quickly, hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Then you won't miss any upcoming tutorials.